Okay, so first of all, I will select everything and then go to Insert and insert a funnel chart. Then I will resize this chart and double click on the bars to open up the formatting pane and change the gap width to 0%. Then I'll click off of the chart and go to Insert and Shapes, and in Basic Shapes I will select the trapezoid and then click and drag to draw this, and in the Shape Format tab I will rotate this shape and flip it vertically so the shorter edge is on the bottom. Then I'll change the shape outline to no outline and change the shape fill to be a very dark orange. Then I'll take this shape and I'll line it up with the first bar. Now you can use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move this shape around more precisely. And what we're aiming for is for the white circles to line up with the blue bar underneath. Then I will click on the yellow circle and drag it so that the bottom part of the shape lines up with the bar underneath. Then I'll move this shape out of the way and then press Ctrl C to copy it and put it on the clipboard. Then click once to select all of the bars in the chart and click a second time to select just the first bar. Then go to Fill and change it to Picture or Texture Fill. Then for Picture Source, I will choose the clipboard. And now I have the top bar set up the way that I want it. I'm now going to do this for all of the other bars as well. So I'll press Ctrl D to duplicate this shape. Then I will change the fill to be a lighter orange because it's easier to see what we're doing if there's more of a contrast between the colours. And I'll resize this shape so that it lines up with the bar underneath. And then click and drag the yellow circle so the shorter edge matches the next bar. Then press Ctrl D to duplicate this shape. And then I will do the same thing for this one as well. We need to make it so that it lines up with the bar underneath. Then drag the yellow circle so that we get the shorter edge to match up with the next bar. And then press Ctrl D to duplicate that and do the same thing again. So we're lining this shape up with the bar underneath. And then dragging the yellow circle so that it matches the next bar. Now that I've got my shapes sorted out, I'll hold down Ctrl to select all of these and move them out of the way. Then I'll change the colour of these shapes. So I want this one to be a dark orange and I want this one to be a medium orange, and I will leave this one as a light orange. Then I'll select this shape and press Ctrl C to copy it to the clipboard. Then I'll click once to select all of the bars and click a second time to select just this bar. Then change the fill to Picture or Texture Fill and change the picture source to clipboard. Then I need to do the same thing again. So I'll copy the shape and double click to select just this bar, change it to Picture or Texture Fill and select clipboard. Then I will do it again for this shape here. So I will select Picture or Texture Fill and clipboard. Then for the final bar, I want for this to still be a rectangle. So I will just change the colour of this one to be a very light orange. Now I want to fix the data labels, so I'll select these and then add in the category name and change the separator so that it is a new line. Then I also want to increase the font size here. That changes the color, so I'll change it back to white. And then just for the one at the bottom, I'll change it to grey so we can still read it. Then I'll delete the axes and also the chart title. And also this chart has a grey border, so to get rid of that, I will change the border to no line. And now I have the funnel chart that I want, and I can resize this chart and move it around to make it look however I want. Okay, so in this video I have shown you how to make a funnel chart in Excel, and that is everything.